Hello everyone, welcome to the Mifratech YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain another new project called online quiz system. Here where the student can register to this system, online quiz system, and they can take up an exam here. In this project, it will help the faculty to manage the student quizzes records, and faculty also can monitor if the students has already taken the quiz and how many students have already taken the quiz. Faculty can create various types of a question, and quizzes are restricted to the selected students who are listed with the teachers. The student can immediately know his or her score after submitting the quiz, and also can review their answer sheet to know which question they are answered right or wrong. This project is completely developed using the PHP, JavaScript and a Bootstrap and MySQL as a backend for a database system. The main objective of online quiz system is user-friendly systems are not only needed for the creator but also for the participants. A responsive design is an approach where the web designers want to reach an optimal web experience for a wide range of devices. Multiple choice is the option you can use with your online quiz system. Having more than one option is necessary to check several types of knowledge, and auto quiz publish login with the username and the password, automatically check answers and give the result to the students. These are the some of objectives of online quiz system. Before we starting in a project, make sure the exam control panel is installed in your computer. Exam control panel is a system where it works with a server to test a project, and it provides a module, several modules by running a similar codes, and you can see a action, start or stop action. Admin, we can make a configure on locks. Before we starting an action here, we have to do the one thing. The project folder must be copied to the exam htdocs folder. Let's see that. Project, the online quiz. Copy the project folder and paste it to where, when you are installing, where the path is created, there the htdocs folder will be created. I am installed in the C drive, exam htdocs. I will paste here. Yes, you can see an online quiz. Now come back to the exam control panel, because we want to create a database. Here I will start, because we are using a PHP here. I will start a two module, Apache and MySQL. After starting in a two module, we want to create a database, so we want an administration page. So MySQL, the admin button. After clicking an admin page, after clicking an admin button, you have been redirected to a administration page called localhost php myadmin, where you have to create a database. In this page, go to the databases. You can see here a create database. enter the database name. What is the database name is, when you are creating a project, you have been created a .sql extension file, the database file. The name should be same as .sql extension file. Now let's see the database file name. Go to the htdocs folder. Here we can see a database file as exam. The database name was exam. I will create a database now. Create. And after this, now you are seeing a no data tables found in database. Here you can create by creating a table by giving an SQL command, many more. Because we have created a database file, so I will import a database file directly here. Import, choose file, same, go to the htdocs folder, online quiz, select the database file with .sql extension file. After selecting, scroll down and you can see in the top bottom left corner, go click on that. Okay. Now you are seeing the database has been imported successfully. Some of the queries has been executed. Now this we can test a project easily. Open a new tab, localhost / online quiz, because online quiz is what the project folder name. Now you are seeing a online quiz system index page. Here you can see a login button and a register button. Okay, let's test. I am now as a new user. I don't know what is there inside the online quiz system. Let's register now as I am the first user. Enter your username, fill out the details here. I will give as same as a ABCD and a mail. And a password. And what is your college name? Let's register now. Yes, you have been successfully registered. Let's get to the login and go inside the online quiz system web page. Email ID. And the password. Let's log in now. Yes, you are seeing an online quiz system homepage. Here there are two topics, IP networking and PHP MySQL. Let's check it out as the history. There are no history of mine and a ranking who are all attempted previously. Here you can see Swagatik Padi and the score, and Priyanka Patnaik and the score. Okay, let's take one quiz. Let's go to the start. What is PHP stand for? S, and you can see many more here. This how online quiz system work, and it will help to the faculty. They can by giving a link to the students. You can see a detailed report on Mifratech. I will mention the below link. You can click on that and you can register there, and you can see a many more lot of the projects there. And thank you for watching this video.